there, Mr. Tom here with an exciting announcement for Journey Kids Ministries. We are getting ready to kick off a fun new series of events called Created to Create. Now, this could look like a lot of different things. It could be baking and doing a puzzle. It could be building Legos, maybe even learning how to make a fire. But for this first one, that's right, you guessed it. We're gonna do painting with mom. So mark your calendars for November 22nd at 6:30 p.m. right here at Journey Bible Church. We're gonna do a step-by-step guided painting of a surprise scene. So all you gotta do is go to, get a little green here, Journey, sorry if my letters are backwards, Bible.org/events to register. I just need to know how many paintbrushes to bring. It is a totally free event to you. Just come on, have some fun, bring your kiddos out, and we're gonna have a fun little time painting fun little paintings. So, I think I should probably finish this one up here. Starting to get there, maybe a little yellow. And just getting our little finishing touches here. Excellent, there we go. Just a happy little Pastor Mike. Perfect. Hope to see you there.